Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken curry easily in home. It can be made in different ways and it may have different names in different states, but popularly it is called chicken curry. It is very easy. Let's start the process. To make chicken curry we need grind meat as per taste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, garlic paste, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, mustard oil, 2 teaspoon cumin seed paste, onion about 250 gram, 100 gram yogurt, fresh tomato puree, potato, and obviously chicken. I take it about 1 kg. I took potato, but it is not mandatory. Firstly, we have to marinate the chicken. For this marination, we have to add yogurt, half teaspoon cumin seed paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, and half teaspoon salt, and then mix it. After marination, the chicken looks like this. Now pour little oil on the non-stick kadai. I prefer non-stick kadai because it is easy to cook on non-stick kadai and nothing sticks to the bottom of the kadai. So there is no worry of burning the chicken at the bottom. Earlier I said that I am using potato. So firstly fry the potatoes in the kadai. The potatoes have been fried. Let's keep the potatoes in a plate. Now take some oil in the kadai. When the oil becomes hot, add onion into it. You have to keep on little sauteing the onion. You can see that the onion is getting brownish. Now you have to add garlic paste into it. If you add the other spices before the onion gets browning, the onion will remain white. I think you don't want that. The onion gives good flavor to the curry. Now after sauteing for a while, add ginger paste and then cumin seed paste into it. Now add the marinated chicken into it. Keep on sauteing it. Now add little salt into it. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder into it. Keep on sauteing. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder into it. Now cover it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add tomato puree and green mirchi into it. Again cover it for about 10 minutes. Now add fried potatoes into it. Cover it for 5 minutes. Now you can see that the oil gets separated out from the chicken. Now add hot water into it. It is very important to add hot water, not cold water, for better cooking. Now for about 20 minutes you have to keep on sauteing with short intervals. I think the chicken is cooked now. Now add grind garam masala into it. I think the chicken curry is ready now. Let's keep it in a bowl. And you can now serve this. You can have this chicken curry with rice, luchi and paratha. You can try this in your kitchen. Okay guys, that's all. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you.